These delicious Greek chicken gyros are made on a simple, homemade vertical spit made out of skewers and an onion. Juicy, flavorful chicken thighs are served on a warm pita with a tangy tzatziki and fresh, crisp vegetables for an irresistible, healthy dinner. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making Greek chicken gyros on a homemade rotisserie. Before we begin, you know the deal, do me a little flavor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Let's start by preparing the Greek chicken marinade. In a large bowl, add together the Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic cloves, ground coriander, paprika, dried oregano, ground cumin, honey, and black pepper. Mix this whole thing up. Grab your boneless, skinless chicken thighs and place them on a cutting board. Now cover them with a piece of plastic wrap and use a meat mallet or a rolling pin to pound the chicken thighs down until they are evenly thick, about ½ an inch. If you're pressed for time, you can skip this step. However, pounding the chicken thighs will actually help the chicken cook more evenly. Add the chicken thighs to the prepared Greek chicken marinade and toss the chicken until it is evenly coated and refrigerate it. So marinate this for at least 2 hours, but if you're like me, you're gonna do this overnight. It allows for maximum flavor overload into this. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or prepare a cast iron skillet, either will work. Slice the top and the bottom off of the onion, and then slice the onion into a large disc about 1½ inches thick. You're gonna poke 2 thick wooden skewers into the center of the onion, 1 inch apart, until it is flush, they're even with the bottom of the onion. Skewer the chicken thighs through both of these same skewers. You actually want the chicken to be not too tight, just a little relaxed, because as it cooks and then cools, the chicken will shrink. And if it's too taut, it will force out some of these really yummy and vital juices. Roast the chicken for about 60 to 90 minutes in a 375-degree oven until the chicken is cooked through and the center reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken's roasting, let's work on our tzatziki sauce. Peel and slice the cucumber lengthwise. Use a spoon to remove the seeds from the center of the cucumber, and then shred the cucumber, placing the shredded cucumber into a colander or ideally a mesh strainer. Toss it with a heaping ¼ teaspoon of salt. Let the cucumber drain for 15 minutes. The salt will pull out this moisture from it. After 15 minutes, squeeze and then remove all of the liquid from the cucumber. This is going to prevent our tzatziki sauce from being too watery. In a separate bowl, whisk together the Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, and minced garlic, dill. Add the drained cucumber and mix it until it is well combined. Now, if you want to up the ante, if you're like me, I love using a combination of fresh dill and fresh mint and fresh parsley. All of them go in this. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. And honestly, if you're short on time, feel free to use store-bought tzatziki. Once the chicken is done, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing it into thin slices. Assemble the Greek chicken gyros. On a pita, spread the tzatziki, layer the sliced chicken and top it with sliced red onions and tomatoes, and finish it with a sprinkling of lettuce and feta. If you want to make them like they do in Athens, you could add some French fries to the gyros too. They're absolutely amazing this way. Serve them up and enjoy. Y'all, if you want the recipe, the full thing, head to that description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. You will find not only this delicious creation, but also a whole library of others. If you enjoy this, do not forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I'll see you next time.